If your iPhone screen is not rotating when you turn it sideways, it's usually because the rotation lock is turned on. For example, if you open an app like Photos and switch to landscape mode, but nothing happens, this setting is most likely the reason. To fix this, open Control Center on your iPhone. If your iPhone has Face ID, swipe down from the top right corner. If it has a home button, swipe up from the bottom. Now look for the icon with the lock and circular arrow. This is the portrait orientation lock. Simply tap it to turn it off. Once it's off, try rotating your phone again, and the screen should switch to landscape mode normally. If it still doesn't work, restart your iPhone by pressing and holding the power button with volume down until the power slider appears. Then turn it off and on again. Also, keep in mind that not all apps support rotation. Some screens like Settings or certain apps may stay locked in portrait mode, even when rotation is enabled. That's it. This is the easiest way to fix auto rotate not working on iPhone. If this iPhone tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips and fixes.